In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to execute file CreateProcess failed code 2, the system cannot find the file specified error on Windows. So let's get straight into the steps. First, check whether the application or game file actually exists. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where the affected program is installed. Look for the main.exe file and make sure it's still there. If the executable file is missing, Windows won't be able to launch the application. If you're using an antivirus program, also check its quarantine or protection history in case the file was incorrectly removed. Next, check your Windows firewall settings. Click the Start button and search for Control Panel. Open it and change the view to small icons or large icons. Select Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. If your application is already listed, make sure the appropriate network access options are enabled. If it isn't listed, select Allow another app. Click Browse, navigate to the application's installation folder and select the correct .exe file. Then click Open and Add. Your application should now appear in the Allowed App list. Another important step is checking the application path. If you're launching the program through a shortcut, right-click the shortcut and select Properties. Look at the Target field and make sure it points to the correct executable file. If the program was moved to another folder, the shortcut may still be pointing to the old location. In that case, create a new shortcut from the correct executable file. If the error started after installing or moving the application, try reinstalling it. Uninstall the affected program, download the installer from its official source, and install it again in a normal folder. Finally, restart your computer and try launching the application again. If you're still receiving CreateProcess code 2, check the exact file path and make sure the required executable and supporting files are present. And that's it. Those are the steps you can try to fix the unable to execute file CreateProcess failed code 2 error on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. See you in the next one.